Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup. Now time is a human-made construct made by linear beings who need to know how long they got left on the planet and when is the correct time to have brunch. Can you combine brunch with time? According to this lunatic who made this clock, yes you can. I found this in a charity shop. It's a piece of toast. I thought, oh look, a rubber piece of toast which has been made into a clock. How hilarious. Until I realised, no. It's actual toast. Somebody varnished toast and turned it into a clock. Frickin' lunatics. But I thought, you know what? That's a clock mechanism. I bet you I can get rid of the toast and I can actually create a clock through 3D printing. And I can watch my life tick away happily on the wall. So, I'm going to remove this clock mechanism from the disgusting petrified toast and see if I can't turn it into something a little less sticky. Oh my god, it's sticky. Right, so first of all, just snap it in half because it's toast. And there's the mechanism. And let's get rid of the toast. That can go on the floor. I'll vacuum that up later. So I had to dig around some 3D printing websites as I usually do. And I found this fantastic PlayStation clock. I thought, you know what, that'll look lovely in blue. And I shall use the clock mechanism from the disgusting toast clock. I will wipe the mechanism down first and create myself a lovely 3D printed clock to go in my games room. Before I do, however, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, drag your cursor down, click the subscribe button, and welcome to the 3-course breakfast, which is 3D printed soup. We're going to start with kidneys, then we're going to move on to a full English, and then we're going to finish with kedgeree, because all English breakfasts have kedgeree. Don't question it, embrace the kedgeree. So, let's move on and print ourselves a lovely 3D printed time device to put on our walls and continue screaming at the dark. Enjoy yourselves, it's later than you think. Let's give it a try. And with that clock printed and hanging in my games room, it's time to say goodbye. Thanks so much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy and safe. Keep printing.